Number 7, we have 1 all over 5y minus 2 all over y raised to 2. For this fraction with exponent, we need to find the LCD. There are several methods for doing this. We will do two methods. First method will be to multiply y squared in the first fraction. So that will be 1 all over 5y multiplied to y squared all over y squared minus 2 all over y squared times, we will multiply the second fraction to the denominator of the first fraction. That will be 5y. That will be 5y all over 5y. Now, if you notice here, y squared divided by y squared is equal to 1. So it doesn't change anything because 1 times 1 over 5y is still 1 over 5y. That goes the same with 5y all over 5y. We simplify further. Now this will now be equal to y squared all over 5y raised to 3, or let's say just say 5y y squared, minus, we have here 2 times 5, that will be 10y all over 5y multiplied to y squared. So here we can see that we have a common denominator already. And for this, we can write 5y multiplied to y squared. Now y squared minus 10y. Here we can see that y is a common factor for both y squared and 10y, and we can factor that out. This will now become y multiplied to y minus 10 divided by this one. We can also factor out, we can also put y first, so that will be y multiplied to 5y squared. And so y divided by y is 1, giving us the final answer to be equal to y minus 10 all over 5y squared. The second method is another way of getting the LCD of this fraction. Now let's have some space. Here, we're just gonna need to multiply both the denominators, and we can just have it as 5y times y squared. So 5y divided by 5y is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 minus 5y. Oh, hold on. This will be 5y times y squared divided by 5y is y squared. Y squared times 1, that will be y squared minus 5y times y squared divided by y squared will give us 5y. 5y times 2 is 10y. Now here we can factor out already y. So it'll be y multiplied to y minus 10 divided by, we have y times 5y squared. And so it will give us y minus 10 divided by 5y squared. The same final answer.